Hey Tia,
Hey mom.
seems you are ready with some interesting experiment.
Yeah,
Okay, what is this?
I'm going to tell my viewers the importance of washing their hands. So this is black pepper. I have used this to make germs in the experiment.
Okay, so this is the germs in
Yeah.
your jar.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you go out and play, your finger and your hands are like this.
Oh, the germs stick to your hands.
Yeah.
Show it to the camera.
Look guys.
Yes.
So after you go out and play, you should.
What is in the bowl?
This is liquid soap.
Okay, so you are washing your hands now
Yeah.
to
So-
show your viewers
Yeah.
that washing hands are so important, especially
After-
kids.
Yeah.
Always wash your hands. See, so many dust.
And
so
now-
many germs were there in the
Yeah.
Tia's hand.
Now since I have put this soap, now look guys, the germs are running
Wow,
away.
see?
Did you see there was a lot of germs on my hand and this liquid soap made all of them run away. Liquid soap is very effective. After you come to your house when you play and your mother tells you to wash your hands, we should not just rinse it with water because they don't fully go away and you can get sick. So if we use the soap, then it kills the germs, and then when we rinse with the water, then all of it goes away. So that is why our hands stay clean. If you guys like this experiment, please just subscribe my channel on Tia Tricks.